To write the equation of any circle, I need to know its center and its radius. So let's use this graph to figure that information out. Center of the circle, just kind of eyeballing it, looks like it's right about there. As we calculate the radius, we can make sure that we've done that correctly. So I notice from that point, it's 4 units up, 4 units down, 4 units to the left, and 4 units right, which tells me that I found the center correctly. That ordered pair, the x is 1, the y is -1. And that little bit of counting also told me that the radius of my circle is 4. So once we have that, we can just start writing the equation of our circle. We can write this in a couple different ways. Since this was multiple choice, you just had to pick the one that matched yours. So since my center has an x-coordinate of +1, I'm going to do an x-1 because of the sign switch. Y-coordinate is -1, so I have a y+1. And finally, the radius is 4, so I have a 4 squared at the end of my equation. Since this was multiple choice, I just needed to rewrite it in the form that their answers looked like. So instead of saying 4 squared, simply say, well, 4 squared equals 16. So we wrote that there, and that's our final answer.